God named the man Adam. He made a big garden in Eden for Adam to live in. 4 rivers ran through it. Beautiful plants and trees grew there, all of them filled with good food to eat. God put Adam in charge of the garden. He brought all the animals there and told Adam to give them names. Then God saw that Adam was alone. There were no other humans. "This is not good," God said. "I will make someone to be with Adam and to help him." So God created the woman. While Adam slept, God took a rib bone from his body. Then God, the great creator, turned the bone into a woman. Her name was Eve. Adam and Eve cared for the garden. God let them eat food from every plant and tree except for one, the tree of knowing good and bad. "If you eat from that tree," God said, "you will die." A sneaky snake wandered into the garden. He said to Eve, "Did God say you shouldn't eat fruit from this tree?" "Yes," Eve said. "If we do, we will die." "That's not true," the snake lied. "Eat it. You will be like God and know everything." So Eve ate the fruit. She gave some to Adam. Suddenly, they knew they had done a bad thing because they were afraid to be with God for the first time ever.